and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
Good morning, fellow Biafran. Good morning, fellow Africans. This morning I will be talking about Biafra, and I want to talk directly to Emma Powerful, the spokesperson of Ipob. Emma Powerful. Emma Powerful, I saw the letter that you wrote to Anambra State Governor that people should stop sitting at home on Mondays, that you people have cancelled sit at home. And my question this morning is, what is the next strategy? What is next? How are we going to, what next? How are we going to impact or let the Nigerian government know that we are relevant? That is my question this morning. Waiting, which plan will I get for ground? Make I know come to speak Oyibo. Which plan do you guys have on ground so that the government will know that we are still relevant as an agitators? What other plan do you people have so that the Nigerian government will know that we are still relevant and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released? I don't want to believe that you guys are not doing anything. You see, I have never seen where an agitator will sit with their enemy and drink coffee. And then when you are... Let me give you an example. Not that there's no negotiation. Anambra State Governor, if he call you for a negotiation, it's up to you to stand up and say, okay, let's sit together. But the moment you stand up on that seat and smile out of that room, there's something is wrong. I don't want to believe that when I don't collect money. I'm not saying that. I'm not your enemy. You are my brother. I have to question you. You are working for me. Am I powerful? You are working for me. You are working for the Biafrans. You are working for the Ipob. The moment they put you on that seat as a spokesperson of Ipob, we have the right to question you and say, why did you write that letter to Anambra State Governor Soludo, that people have decided not to sit at home, that you people have decided that people should sit at home? I thought after you have written that letter, you should have written another letter to us that, okay, you know what, we get another line where we won't follow. As long as people won't sit at home, there's another way where we will take, pinch the government. Because pinching the government means say we are relevant. If we are not relevant, Soludo will not come to the social media and start crying. I want to believe that, Emma Powerful, you have wake up this morning with your wife by your side. You have wake up this morning with your children by your side. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there locked up alone. And the wife is there in London, just alone, and the children. What do you think we should do as an agitator to make this thing fast forward so that the government will see our impact, so that our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released? Or are you people waiting for Nigerian justice system? My brother, it's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult. Don't let us leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alone. Please, don't let us leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alone in that dungeon. And before I go, there's one more thing I want to tell you. Emma Powerful, please, can you please just, when you are writing, leave Simon Ekpa alone. Simon Ekpa is fighting for the same thing that I think that you are fighting for. Biafra, referendum, and the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You cannot come to speak like Mazi Simon Ekpa. Can you? Can you come? Because the same thing Simon Ekpa is doing is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was doing. As far as I'm concerned, I have checked all the YouTube. I've not seen somebody that is actually on the neck of the government like Simon Ekpa. If it is not relevant, nobody will talk about him. Me, not everything that Simon Ekpa says against you people that I believe. And it's not everything that you people say against Simon Ekpa that I believe. I believe it's a sort of misunderstanding. Yes, misunderstanding is welcomed. Can we just move forward, allow Simon Ekpa to do his things? I don't know Simon Ekpa. I don't have his number. I watch his platform just like you are watching his platform every day. I watch his platform as everybody, DOS, DSS, Nigerian police, everybody is watching Simon Ekpa every day. And he is relevant in this movement. And you too, as a person, I think you are relevant too. All of us are relevant. You see, Biafra movement is like people who are going to excursion on the mountain Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. I don't know if you have been to Tanzania or you have seen where people go on excursion on the mountain. When you're going on excursion on the mountain, everybody is climbing the mountain based on his own energy. The person will go carry knife, go carry. The person will carry gun, go carry. The person will carry stone, go carry him. Everybody is moving towards the top mountain. If I see snake for road, I kill him. Another person go see tree where they disturb him, he go cut and come out. The movement is still going. Everybody is going to the top. Another person go see lion, he go shoot. He go see snake, he go kill him. That does not mean that we are not fighting for the same thing. We are all climbing up top there to Kilimanjaro. The bottom line is all of us, we must reach Kilimanjaro. Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing well. You too, you are doing well in your own space. Can we just stop this gossiping and putting blame on Simon Ekpa? Can we just fight this and allow peace to reign? Mazi Simon Ekpa. Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was doing. I believe you wake up this morning, Emma Powerful, with your wife on your side, Abi, and with your children by your side. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is waking up alone in a silent, dark room. What impact do you have now? And what you wanna get now? What we fit do? What we wanna fit say government fit? No, say we dey relevant. I put my face on social media. Emma spokesperson, can you just come to social media and put your face and talk as well? No. You cannot say I'm not relevant because I'm taking a risk by putting my face on social media. Anybody who puts risk and fighting against the injustice in Nigeria is putting himself on a risk. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there locked up because of you, Emma Powerful. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there locked up because of me, because of everybody. He's fighting for us. He's serving us. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is serving us in that dungeon. Can we just do the needful? You sit with the government. You conclude that sit at home is cancelled. Then give us the next tactics where we go use so that the government will know that we are relevant. I want to talk about something. Simon, oh, I'm not calling about Simon. I'm talking about Emma Powerful. I beg, make una give me what I go talk, because that sit at home now we they preach every weekend. They let people know say make they sit at home because of the injustice. Make I tell you something. The reason why I'm doing this is not because of the young men who are younger like me. The reason why I'm agitating is for the old people. I have lived abroad. I have seen how they treat the senior citizens. I have seen where they treat children abroad because they are future of tomorrow. It's for the young men. I wouldn't be doing this because when I'm old tomorrow, what is the government going to offer me? As a young man who have children, what is the government going to offer them? Nothing. Not even road, no electricity, nothing. Am I powerful? Let us all be relevant. Let people know you for what. Don't start a journey that you will never finish. Do you know why I say so? If you want to be an agitator, stand firm. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stand firm until, even as he is unlocked up, he still stand firm and say, I'm not giving up. I am the leader of Ipob. I want referendum. I want freedom. I believe that letter was not you. My brother, not be you write that letter, give Anambra State government. I believe it's not you. I'm not here to make you as an enemy. I believe that everybody watching me now, they are matured. Some people feel see crazy man, they go believe in crazy man. No. Some people feel see somebody where we say it's a professor. They no go. I don't know how to put this scenario. Everybody have to believe on what they have to believe. Believe in what you believe. Believe in what you believe. But all I know is that we are fighting for freedom. But please, can we just put one voice so that we can release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu where he is? Because that Nigerian judicial system is going to be twisting things. If we don't come to podium here like this and talk, they go just do that man the way they want to. They make us irrelevant now. And you people are making us irrelevant. Because we want to see you on social media all the time. Do you know the power of social media? When I don't know the power of social media, I believe you people don't know. I'm not here to accuse DSS. I'm not here to accuse a mark spokesperson. I'm here to ask questions. Good morning.
My word. That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do wait to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.